DB Details, aka Davinci Autoart. I'm with my assistant here, Audrey. Often we say that one of the benefits of our services is that you can enjoy detailing in the comfort of your own home. Well, today we're in the comfort of my own home in beautiful Saint Laurent, Montreal. We have this client here who left his car here over last night, and the problem with this car is he just got rear-ended a little bit in his bumper. He's got a dent or an impression over here, and a dent over here. It's a plastic bumper, so it's pretty easy fix. And that's it. We're gonna get right to it this morning. Start the day off on the right foot, and we're gonna fix up these scratches over here, over here, over here, and all over here. So we're gonna post the work as we do it. If you have a problem like this on your bumper, don't hesitate to give me a message, and we'll get it fixed up right away. Have a great day.
So yeah, we were able to pop out the dent that was right over here. There's a little indentation, but it's hardly showing. And the bumper over here, we were able to completely pop it out. There's a hole over here. We're gonna patch it up, make it look as good as it can. We're gonna be fixing these scratches over here. Audrey's supervising as usual. Good job, Audrey. And we're gonna be fixing these scratches right over here and right over here. We're gonna make the bumper look as good as it can without completely replacing it. To replace this bumper, brand new bumper repainting will cost about $600-700, and then you risk, miscoloring and everything. What we're gonna do with it is bring it back to about 90%.
Hey guys, so
I'll post the pictures. You guys are gonna see it's gonna look amazing.
So me and Audrey worked the whole morning on this bumper. Took us about an hour and a half.
So as you can see, we popped it out over here, nice and smooth. We took out all the scratches that we needed to take out. There's a dent over here, like I said, but the customer does not want to pay for that, so there's nothing we can do. And there was a hole here, patched it up from behind and put some touch-ups.
So job was a success. I'm very happy with it. Audrey, you happy with it? Yeah, she's happy with it. And that's it, guys. If you want to know any information exactly on how we did it, or you yourself have a bumper that you need fixed, you can always give me a call, send me a message, and I'll be happy to answer to you. I love talking about this. It's my passion. You guys have a great day. Thanks a lot.